Yes, you're here with BETV Live at the Roy Wilkins Show today, and here I stand with the Bermuda Kid. How are you today? How are you enjoying the show?
I'm here, give thanks to life, Show's going on good, so we're just here to enjoy ourselves while working, because, we're a part of the promotion and, the team, so we're just here doing the work and enjoying the show at the same time,
Nice, nice. So what work are you doing here today? What can the people expect from you for the next couple of performances?
People normally know me as the man who got dance and go on the bugger team, but today I'm on a different work side, Yeah, we are dealing with the business side from the event now and things, so that's the thing there. We just make sure the artists them good and everybody. Yes, on BTV, the thing go, which is right.
Yes. So what do you think about the performances so far?
No, everybody forward out, do them thing. Give them best performance 100, So we have to give thanks to everybody who there here and perform so far, and we still have the rest of artists them who perform it, Remy Ma, Alkaline, Ellie, So it's a great thing, and we look forward next year for a greater event for everybody can forward out and enjoy themselves and them things, So that's the thing there.
Nice. So if anybody wants to find you on Instagram, Facebook, where can they go look you?
Only one name, Bermuda Kid. Bermuda Kid for everything. Facebook Bermuda Kid, and that's spelled BERMUDA KIDD. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, you name it, all social media. Yes?
No underscore, no not
underscore, just Bermuda Kid straight. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Yeah. So we're here with the Bermuda Kid. Big up BETV.
Good. Bermuda Kid set. BETV, no body or no bad stuff. Good.
Thank you, bless.